G, City G, gang, yeah. You want that bitch for the rest of your life. I want
So this car is about to be on the Mustang dyno. We are hoping he can make like about 500 horsepower, 600 horsepower out of Mustang dyno. So yeah, this is really heavy dynos. It's not easy to get crazy amount of horsepower in this, but this is true numbers over here. And I'm so ready for my boy Amir. It's waiting 6 months for this car built. So there's just a little story behind this car. Ryan owned this car first, and Amir had that BMW sitting over there. And I guess they traded in cars, and yeah, that's what happened. So Ryan built the car almost. I mean, they had somebody build it, but he didn't finish it. So Ryan built most of the manifold, the exhaust. Lotus Elise right there, that's about to get tuned. That's beautiful. Amir's RX7. That's about to get tuned right now. This is the owner of the RX7, built by this guy. Built this beautiful RX7. IMW builds. They about to put on the Mustang dyno. Beautiful RX7, man. Come on, man.
Ready to go, man.
Hell yeah. How excited are you, man?
Pretty excited. It's been like, you almost ran it over. It was right there. It's been 6 months, bro.
I bet. Shit, how
6 months.
6 months building one fucking car, man.
I mean, it takes longer to do everything,
But hey, finally it's
but
here,
I wasn't
man.
ready for H2O. It's gonna be next this year.
You gonna tow it to H2 or you gonna drive it?
Probably tow it.
Tow it? Oh, I was about to say, you don't want to take the risk.
Oh, definitely. Oh, look at that thing. Fuck.
I'm definitely gonna make a
That
movie when we go to
thing is sick.
H2O.
Look at that thing.
I know, I see it. Didn't you build something in the car?
Yeah, the whole exhaust.
He built the whole exhaust?
I made the turbo manifold.
Okay, he made a turbo manifold.
On that side, you can see everything.
So this is a
So Ryan built this turbo manifold. Did you tape that thing around it?
Yeah,
Nice.
tape, the downpipe I made, the downpipe back,
Nice.
and the turbo manifold.
I don't have them here, no.
2-inch runner.
So he had a straight pipe, and Amir didn't want a straight pipe, so they had to put like mufflers on it. Because Amir, two mufflers, just to make the car a little quiet, and it's still not quiet. I don't think.
No, it's definitely not
It's not
quiet. You're
definitely
about
not
to find out. Might need some earplugs.
It's been almost every single bit of every day.
Is that the K-swap and everything?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I yanked the motor out of it on Thanksgiving and didn't touch it. Like I was collecting parts, and then finally it just started on Christmas.
Nice. That's awesome.
I got some dumb projects that are way worse right now than those not.
Yeah. What do you have that onto the car?
I mean, engine-wise, it's a full K24 swap, piston rod, stage 2 cams, 62, 66, built trans. That's pretty much it. Just kind of, yeah, hoping to get around 700 on the 85.
700?
Yeah. What? Easy.
Well, you built it yourself?
Yeah, I built it all the way up myself.
Nice.
Like the exhaust and like the intercooler work, I had a friend do.
Okay.
But everything else, frame up,
Yeah.
I did it myself. And
What's your friend's name?
Josh Hutchins.
Josh Hutchins.
Yeah.
Well, he has a bigger turbo, and I looked at yours. I'm like, that's a small turbo. You
Yeah.
might get more power with that.
Yeah.
It's gonna lag definitely. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But
Precisions are always smaller, but they're way more efficient.
yeah.
Four corners will last forever, but they'll make a much power.
Yeah. 700? What? We're looking about 500 maybe.
500,
That's what
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad he left the rotary in there and not put no LS in there.
Yeah.
But that sounds really great. Yeah, John's a man too.
It sounds really great now. What do you do? So you track it?
No.
Wait, so what do you do? You don't track it? You
I don't race,
autocross
don't
it? No?
track
Okay, so
nothing.
it's just
Just a daily driver.
Daily driver. Nice,
Yeah.
nice. That's gonna be a fun daily
Just to have some
driver.
extra fun. Yeah.
It's getting beautiful outside and everything. I like the wheels you got on it too. The wheels. I mean the
Oh
brakes.
yeah. Unfortunately, I gotta change them out because they don't make them big enough. I gotta upgrade the the rear wheel size to at least have a chance at having some traction.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, but yeah, trying to find somebody to buy those is like impossible right now.
Nice.
But I'm hoping that it just doesn't blow up. It could have 500 horsepower. I'll be happy.
Yeah,
That's it. You know,
I mean, it's a little car, you know.
Yeah.
Mile weighs less, so yeah. That's
1,700 pounds. Yeah. So it's like 3 motorcycles, 4 motorcycles.
You missed a couple important things when you build, man. So the Harlan sports car completely built by him, mapped out and everything. Had a butchered ass harness. Got it all fixed up, like regular wire, like it's like style, nice spec
Yeah, it was
stuff.
the first wiring harness I ever made.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the key component, and it fired right up.
Yeah, I have a friend with a Lotus, but it's supercharged. It's making about 230 to the wheels.
Yeah, that's what's disappointing about them is, like, you can leave the Toyota motor in them.
He has a Toyota motor in it, though.
The what?
Yes, he still has the Toyota motor in
It
it.
has a Toyota motor, yeah. And you can't go like above 350 without running into issues.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why a lot of people do the K swaps. You know? Oh, it is toasted.
It's a beautiful,
bit.
it's a beautiful setup too.
Yeah. I definitely like it would have. If I didn't care so much about looks, it would have cost like a third of that much to do.
Yeah.
But I wanted it to look pretty, so
I made fun of him.
that was the most heartbreaking part, is trying to make it look pretty and keep cost down.
Yeah, I feel that. I see you got a muffler in it to silence it a little bit.
Yeah,
It's almost
just a
good, though.
resonator,
Yeah.
just to make it a little bearable to drive. 'Cause,
Okay.
you know, otherwise.
Yeah, it'll be obnoxiously loud. Yeah.
If I'm gonna be daily driving, especially since like she'd probably complain if she had to sit in the passenger seat.
Yeah.
So, yeah, with the diffuser on it, the exhaust looks a lot better. It looks a little goofy right now.
Right. It looks
But-
cool though. I like how it's
Yeah.
in the center. I've never seen any Lotus with a
Yeah,
center
I wanted
to
it
it.
exactly centered. Yeah.
That's smooth. That's nice.
Yep.
Beautiful.
I'm a little worried about the clam.
Do you have a wing
I
on
told
it or
you,
something?
Huh?
Does it have a wing on it? Because I can see
Yeah,
it.
it has an
spoiler on
ABC,
it.
large ABC
Okay,
wing on it.
okay.
Yeah, but I left it off because I didn't want it to. I didn't want to find out how hard it was to tilt the clam with it on
Yeah.
for today, so I just left it off.
Yeah.
Make it a lot easier. I painted the car myself too.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
I
it's,
thought it was a wrap for a second.
It's a sprayable vinyl. Classy dip or dip your car.
Okay.
They released Pro Line, which is like their mid-grade line.
Yeah.
No texture, no like issues at all. Pretty cheap, and you can spray it on. Mix your own color.
Nice.
Yeah.
Flat tops? Okay. Cool. That works.
He's got some goofy.
He's
got the only thing he has like a goofy intake manifold, but I mean it's pretty. It fits.
Yeah, don't want that.
He's looking about 700 horsepower. That's gonna be insane.
Yeah.
It's gonna be sketchy as
Whose
fuck.
is this?
This white guy.
I like that
motor.
carbon fiber. Dude.
I like it too. It's like everything in there is carbon fiber.
And the matte orange. Too bad the 240's not here. They match.
He built everything himself, he said. That's insane.
as of right now, we're waiting for Amir's cars to still be ready because it's having like a low spark plug problems and stuff like that. But there's a Lotus Elise here still. It's making around 300 horsepower maybe. Amir's car has made 200 horsepower so far. Hoping 600 horsepower or 500 at least. He said he'll appreciate 500 or 600 horsepower. And the Lotus made like 340 ish at 80 miles per hour, so that's nothing, which means the Lotus could possibly make around like up to like 70 miles. I mean 700 horsepower. And still waiting. Amir's car has done a couple runs, looking good right now. Do you guys think that RX-7 is gonna have a higher number than the Lotus Elise? This has a bigger turbo on it. I don't know about that. That's a good setup. That's a K-Series engine, right? Yeah, K-Series engine. What is the 3 rotary? 3? Yeah, that's the 3 rotary. Who's gonna have the highest dyno number? Either that or that. I just watched this dude about 87. 2? Oh, okay. It's not 3. Okay, so this is 2 rotor, 1.3 liter RX-7. And then Lotus Elise.
That's a 2.4. That's a 2.4 K swap.
That's a 2.4 K swap. And we're gonna see who's gonna have the highest number. In the comments below, just put the number down. Let me know what you think. RX-7 1.3 liter 2 rotary versus the K-Series. Which one do you guys think is going to make the most power? Either that or that? I kind of have faith in this, but I'm scared it might blow up. One of this car is scared his car is going to blow up too. He's looking at about 600 horsepower he wants out of it, and hoping like 500, 600.
The ambulance, go to the channel.
I'm gonna check out the channel definitely though when I get home.
The ambulance is sweet. We just started sticker bombing it. Like any stickers I have, I'm just slapping
it on it.
What do you think of the H2O?
Oh, that would be sick.
Yeah. When is that? Like end of summer?
It's like end of September. Yeah. It's like September 28th, 27th.
Rough with the weather.
I got some friends that are just begging me to come down with them.
We always go. It's all of us. You can join us, man.
Yeah.
We always go.
All right. Wow,
It's like all of us. We get a low apartment and shit.
Expect to bring some extra money because cops.
Oh my God! They told my car last year,
man,
and
I've heard.
I had to pay like $600 to get it.
Yeah.
They told it for like 5 minutes.
Pulled over. That car be pulled over about fucking.
Yeah.
I heard then they don't like to give them back either. Like you got to get a tow truck to come and get it.
Want
if it's,
you to pay out the ass.
Yeah.
We were gonna bring. I got a tow truck. We were gonna bring it down and just start charging people to go get their cars back from the cops.
Yo, that's bread.
Yeah.
That's bread.
think twice. Why everybody want to be a shooter? Let me know. I don't even know. We treat the op like door match. We making sure that they stay on the flow. Get a picket and set it off. I don't want the shit if I ain't with the